Okay guys, magre-review muna tayo ng Hello guys! Ngayon, magre-review muna tayo kung paano mag-multiply at kung paano mag-factor. Okay? Ayun, bago tayo tumungo sa ating first lesson. So, una, we have x times x. Okay? Pag pinagta-times natin yung dalawang variable o letter, si x at x, hindi yan 2x. Okay? Ang mangyayari dyan, kokopyahin nyo yung variable o yung letter, tapos bibilangin nyo kung ilan sila. 1, 2. Since dalawa sila, x squared. Okay? X times x is not 2x but x squared. Next, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Paano natin mapapakita? As a product. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay 3 raised to 4. Tama? Ayan. Kasi, 3, tapos 4 na beses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next, we have this one. Paano naman to? Okay? So, ang gagawin nga natin, tulad dito sa x squared, b times b. So, that is b squared. Tama? Kasi dalawang beses, kaya b raised to 2. Tapos sa c naman, 1, 2, 3. c cubed. Okay? Next, we have ab squared d cubed. Okay? Since ito guys, hindi sila pare-parehas, si a, bawal naman siya magkasama ni b, bawal din siya magkasama ni d. Okay, like dito, pinagsama natin si x times x, naging x squared. So, ito guys, yan na yun agad. Si a, wala namang ibang a. Si b, wala naman. Si d, wala na rin. So, yan na yun. Okay, ab squared d cubed. Ito naman guys, paano naman to? May number at may letter times same. May number at may letter. So, 3 times 4, number muna. Okay, 3 times 4, that would be 12. Okay? Tapos, m times m, paano ngayon? Kokopyahin, tapos bibilangin kung ilan. 1, 2, m squared. Okay? Next, we have 6s squared times 4t. Ang gagawin natin, number muna. 6 times 4, that is 24. Tapos, s squared, wala namang ibang s, so s squared lang talaga siya. Times t. So, sasama lang natin si t. Okay, so parang pinagsasama lang natin. Yun yung looking for products. Para naman pag looking for factors tayo. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin x cubed, pwede yan maging x times x times x, or pwedeng x squared times x. Tama? Depende kung ano yung gusto nating makuha or gamitin. Okay? Si 12 naman, okay? Pwede siyang, paano? 12, that is 4 times 3. Tama? Or pwedeng 2 times 2 times 3. Same lang. Kasi 2 times 2, that is 4 times 3, 12. Okay? Tapos dito naman, 4 times 3, 12. Dito naman, 4x squared. Okay? So, number 4 x squared, pinaghiwalay lang na x. Okay? Or, ang 4, pwede natin mapakita as 2 times 2. Tama? Tapos yung x squared ay x times x. Okay? Next, we have 7x squared. Y. So, 7, number, times x squared, that would be x times x. Tapos, we have y. Okay? So guys, ito palang mga point na to, ibig sabihin yan, multiply, tama? Pero pwede rin gamitin yung parentheses like 7 times x times y. Parehas lang yan multiplication. And lastly, we have 12m squared. So pwedeng 12 times, ilang m? Dalawa. M times m. Or pwedeng, ano ang 12? Pwede siyang 4 times 3, tama? 4 times 3 times m times m. Okay, ngayon, medyo na-review ko na kayo sa pagkuha ng products at pagkuha ng factors. Pwede na tayo tumungo sa factoring.